Hello everybody, so I just got done filming my how to do a full tutorial, so if you want to check that out, click right here. I'll put a link so you can go learn how to do a full or backflip 360. And what I'm going to do for this video, I'm going to take the steps that I use to show you how to do a back full. I'm going to try to learn a back full but reverse, the opposite way I normally go. So when I do a back full, sorry I'm out of breath still from the video. When I do a back full normally, I go over my left shoulder and spin this way. But for this video, I'm going to be trying to learn how to do it over my right shoulder and spin this way. And I've tried it a few times in the past, like just to see if I could do it. Never got close to landing it because it felt really janky. But I'm going to see if I can land it today. So let's try it. Alright, so let's get started. I'll just try doing it and see what happens. So, like I said, I normally pull this way. Then I'm going to try to learn how to pull that this way. So let's see how it goes. So I'll start off with I did in the beginning, with just a turn into a roll. Pretty easy. Next step. Alright. Next step. I think I just gotta try it and we'll get it eventually. We'll see. Holy crap. I just lose myself in the air. I have no idea where I'm at. A little closer. Oh, that was it. Holy crap. I want to get it better though. I can't believe I landed it so fast. Whoa. Holy cow, that was so weird. That was so weird. I want to get it from standing. My goal. Holy cow. I have no idea what I'm doing in the air. I just huck it. It's so weird. Yeah, that felt better. Alright, let's see if I can do it from standing. Yeah, it's so weird. Oh, I did it. Let's see if I can do it into a combo. It still feels so weird. I don't have it down really well. We'll try a normal full to the reverse full. See how if we can do that. First try. Holy cow. Well, I'm gonna just do one more. See if I can do it again. Oh, man, it feels so weird. Sorry if the audio is kind of jacked up on this video. My trampoline's pretty loud. I don't have a mic for my camera, so I might just end up voicing over part of this. Sorry, I'm out of breath. We'll see what I do. Hope you enjoyed this video. I learned it a lot faster than I thought I would. And if you don't know how to do a full, don't forget to check out my video. Try to learn it. I applied the same techniques just into the opposite way and it seemed to work for me. So if you don't give up and keep on trying, you'll be able to learn. But thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.